Creality K2 Plus Combo Review. Multicolor, real speed, and results worth knowing.
Have you ever watched a multicolor print fail and stared at tangled filament like it personally attacked you? I have. I set up an overnight print once, woke up excited, and found a bird nest where my model should have been. If that morning sounds familiar, drop a comment below because that specific kind of frustration is genuinely real. That knot in your stomach when hours of print time collapse into failed layers is exhaustion nobody warns you about. You slow the speed, re-level the bed, swap filament brands, and results stay inconsistent. Standard printers cannot solve what they were never built to handle. But there is a calmer, more controlled path forward that genuinely asks less of you. Do not just pick any 3D printer. Make sure it has a fully automated multicolor filament system so you never suffer through manual filament swaps and ruined overnight prints again. Then, everything changed when I found the Creality K2 Plus Combo. Here is what surprised me. The first time I loaded 4 colors and hit print, the CFS handled every switch automatically without one tangle. The next-gen direct drive extruder reaches 350 degrees Celsius, handles flexible TPU to carbon fiber composites, and hits speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Full auto leveling maps the entire 350 by 350 millimeter bed with real-time compensation, so your first layer lands right. Dual AI cameras detect spaghetti failures before they waste a full spool and record a time-lapse automatically. The actively heated chamber at 60 degrees Celsius keeps ABS and nylon prints warp-free consistently. A product designer was running a 4-color client prototype at midnight against a tight deadline. Her old printer failed silently and cost her 3 hours. With the Creality K2 Plus Combo, the AI camera caught a first-layer failure, paused the job, and sent an alert. She fixed it in minutes and delivered on time. This machine protects your time as much as it prints. Once the Creality K2 Plus Combo becomes your daily driver, the difference is immediate and lasting. You stop babysitting prints, stop wasting material on failures, and start delivering larger and more colorful output than you thought possible from a desktop machine. A 3D printing specialist confirmed the K2 Plus rivals the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon in speed and accuracy, while offering a significantly larger build volume competitors cannot match. A maker influencer testing the CFS with 8 simultaneous colors reported smooth, reliable transitions with dual cameras preventing failures across extended overnight runs. An industry analyst noted it represents a major step forward in accessible multicolor printing by combining expandability, speed, and professional features coherently. A small business owner using it for prototyping said the build volume and auto leveling alone saved enough time in 1 month to justify the machine entirely. One real limitation worth knowing up front is that CFS color transitions produce some filament purge waste, and the bed takes up to 15 minutes to fully preheat for engineering materials. The most common objection is price compared to single extrusion printers. But when you factor in eliminated failures, expanded output scale, and hours saved through AI monitoring, the return becomes genuinely hard to argue against. What project would you tackle first on a machine like this? Drop it below. Thousands of makers, designers, and small business owners are already running the Creality K2 Plus Combo daily and producing multicolor work at a scale they never thought possible from a desktop 3D printer. Calmer workflows, smarter monitoring, and prints that land right the first time. If you are ready to make that shift, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned in the comments. Go explore it and see what this machine can genuinely do for your workflow today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.